What you watching, Trin?
Konski.
You got such pretty hairs.
Thanks, Dad.
Look at that stuff. That's just so pretty. Trin, you want to see how pretty your hair is? Look at this. Look how pretty. Trin, look. Trin, you pranked me the other day, so I'm pranking you. What do you think? I win.
Took me years to grow this, Dad.
Well, I guess it can take you years to grow it back. Now to get Madison. We'll see if they prank me again now.
Mom, I just woke up and now my hair fell out.
No, Dad cut it because you girls pranked Dad the other day and poured slime all over him.
But that doesn't prank. Look what he did to my hair. Look, guys, now it's really short. Oh, I want to get it done.
Alright guys, so just so you know, I wasn't really cutting these girls' hair off to be mean. This was actually a planned video. We are going today to get these girls' hair cut. So that's how long they wanted them. So I went ahead and made the first cut, and we're gonna go have the professionals cut it the rest of the way.
Trim. But guys, look, mine is really short.
We got really short hair now, so we're gonna go and get our hairs cut. And then at the end of the video, you guys can tell us if you like their new haircuts.
Guys, on the outside of my hair, it's kind of weird because it's light, and inside it's dark. Let's see how big our hairs are. Mine's
Let's see, who got more cut? Here, let Dad hold them up. Okay, let's see who got more. Madison's is longer, but I think Trin's is thicker.
Oh yeah, by
Look at this.
far.
You could like brush your face with Trin's. Is it soft? Ooh, it's like a paintbrush.
Mine, it feels like leopard fur.
Leopard fur?
Wow.
All right, guys, so
That
we'll
feels
see
so
you at the hair salon. All right, guys, so before we go get the haircut, we're actually gonna go ahead and take these out and see how their hair looks. So go ahead and turn around, Madison. Okay. Pull that, that one out. That one out.
Ow.
Oh, look at that. Wait, turn around. Wait, turn.
Hey,
Ooh. Does that feel a lot lighter?
you guys.
Look at that perfect haircut job Dad did. It looks pretty cute. Now we just gotta go and get it fixed. Let's try Trin's. 1, 2.
Kind of looks like Elsa's.
I think that's how else is this?
3.
3. Oh, look at that crazy look at that craziness. So I think they're gonna cut that right there. Man, that's a weird little haircut. Trin, you got wings.
You got wings. You got wings.
All right, let's see both of you girls by each other.
Man.
Woo!
The longest
That's
hair.
pretty short hair, girls. All right, now We're gonna go to the hair salon and have the professionals do it, so we will see you guys in just a second.
All right, are we here to get our hair cut?
Yeah.
Fixed?
How are you?
Okay,
This one.
Madison,
This
let's go get her fixed.
So this set the back of it. It's kind of big.
Right.
So it doesn't need to go any shorter than what it is, but
Just fix what's there. All right, where are you going to sit? A booster? Ooh.
Alright, hop on up, sweet girl.
Hop on up, cutie patootie.
scared.
Don't be scared. And we can give you a lollipop at the end.
Oh my goodness.
How's that sound?
Did you tell her where else we might go when we're all done?
We might go to the aquarium.
Aquarium.
Oh my goodness, that would be so
But the
cool.
mermaids are not there.
The mermaids?
They're gonna be swimming with the shark after they learn how to swim. Last year.
Are you ready? You're gonna look so cute.
Oh my goodness. We'll have to show them a picture of just how long it was before, huh?
Yeah.
It was super long.
Mine was to right here.
No way.
like 10 inches off Madison.
When I
know.
looked up at least.
Alright, I'm gonna spray you with some water. Is that okay?
Oh my goodness.
Your hair is so soft.
Oh yes, super soft. And then this one's hair is super thick.
Oh, I want mine pink.
You want pink hair? Yeah?
I want teal.
You want teal?
How's it looking, sweetie?
Good.
Good. Alright, now
So
we're gonna put some
pretty.
layers in.
Relax and enjoy. We invite you to stop in and experience your local garden.
Feel like Daddy's hair in a mohawk? Yeah. Faux hawk?
Much better. Not so shaggy.
You know, huh?
There we go.
How do I look?
How's he look?
What do you think? Yours is looking pretty too.
It is.
You look like a pretty princess.
Oh my goodness, she's so cute.
Hi. Did you?
That is a pretty big snake. Alright, sweetie, look back up for me. Alright, you ready? Do you want help or you got it? Alright.
All done. Now it's
girl.
Trin's turn in the hot
Let me
seat.
see that. Oh
Do a little
goodness.
spin. Do a little twirl.
Whoa,
Alright.
not so
Oh my
fast.
gosh, she looks so pretty.
I love it. Do you like
Are we
it?
doing the same thing for her or are we doing a little different? Alright, I'm gonna brush through it first just so it's not all
Where's your silliest face?
I love it.
Alright, we're gonna part your hair off because we're gonna want to do it section by section. You got a lot of it.
Look, guys, I got a lollipop. And it's cotton.
Cotton candy.
That's gonna get a thumbprint for those, you know.
She's so funny.
Is she funny?
She's so funny. It's so funny. I was That sloth doesn't think it's mine.
Yeah.
It's too good. You like when you have that? Did you see it?
Looks so pretty, Trin.
Don't put over my
Okay.
What's the silliest face you can make? That's pretty silly.
Almost done, Kim.
The orange one.
Oh, yeah,
Almost
you're right.
done, huh?
This one's yellow and black.
Yeah.
Guys, we just got back from the hair salon. We got a haircut. Me and Madison love it.
Woo! Do another twirl. Slow, slow. Look at how soft and pretty that looks. Oh my word. Look at that. Woo! Woo!
Well, guys, make sure you hit that subscribe button. We'll see you guys later. Bye.